కేంద్ర మంత్రివర్యులు శ్రీమతి స్మృతి జుబిన్ ఇరానీ గారు, ముప్పవరపు వెంకయ్య నాయుడు గారు, మన రాష్ట్ర ప్రియతమ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ నారా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు విచ్చేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో శంకుస్థాపన చేశారు. ఆ అద్భుత క్షణాలను మనం వీక్షిస్తూ ఉన్నాం.
Honorable Ministers of Human Resource Development, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Minister of Urban Development, Ministers of State for Science and Technology, Ministers for Human Resource Development, Environment, Forests of the State Government, Members of the Parliament, Members of the Legislative Assembly and Council, IIT Madras is privileged to mentor the creation of a new IIT at Tirupati in the state of Andhra Pradesh. We have earlier had the privilege of successfully mentoring the IIT at Hyderabad and the IIIT DM at Kanchipuram. The faculty, staff and students of IIT Madras extend their congratulations and best wishes to the new IIT that is coming into existence in Andhra Pradesh from the academic year 2015-16. We propose to begin with 120 students every year, 30 each in the disciplines of civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering and mechanical engineering. We thank the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, for its far-reaching vision in creating a new IIT at Tirupati with a sanction of more than 1,000 crores, and for the timely steps taken to begin operations on the right note. We thank the Government of Andhra Pradesh, specifically the Higher Education Department, Commissioner of Technical Education, the Collector and the local administration for expeditiously and identifying suitable land for the new IIT at Tirupati. We also thank them for their assistance in identifying temporary premises at Tirupati for the new IIT so that we can launch classes in July 2015 at Tirupati itself. We are thankful to Sri Venkateshwara University for their assistance in providing hostel accommodation and access to laboratory facilities. The IITs are jewels in India's crown. They are unusual jewels in that they beget living jewels every year in the form of the brightest, most committed and well-educated young men and women who work to transform India into a developed and technologically advanced nation. IIT Tirupati, born under the benign gaze of Lord Venkateshwara and his consort Padmavati, is the latest jewel to adorn the crown. I am confident it will soon become a trailblazer amongst the leading higher education universities of the world, cutting a new path to a life of knowledge, wisdom, sustained prosperity and well-being for one and all. Jai Hind.
On this historic occasion, my beloved students, ladies and gentlemen, my heartiest congratulations to the people of Andhra Pradesh, especially the people of Rayalaseema, for today, on this auspicious day of Ram Navami. Through the hands and the blessings of the Honorable Chief Minister and Sri Venkaiah Naidu, we dedicate to the people of Andhra Pradesh an Indian Institute of Technology. Abraham Lincoln once said that the philosophy of the classroom in one generation decides the philosophy of the government in the next generation. My request to the IIT Director Chennai, who is the mentor for IIT Tirupati, was, let's make IIT Tirupati unique unto itself. Though Tirupati is known as a world pilgrimage center, at the feet of Lord Venkateshwara, let's give something unique to students of the entire nation. I am glad to announce today that the IIT Chennai team will ensure that engineering, especially in smart infrastructure, is developed in IIT Tirupati, which will complement the dreams not only of the Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu, but also complement the work of our beloved Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, who has tasked Sri Venkaiah Naidu to ensure that our country has 100 smart cities.
ఈ మూడు సంస్థలు ఇక్కడ వచ్చాయి. ఒకటేమో చెన్నై మెంటరింగ్ చేస్తుంది, ఒకటేమో హైదరాబాద్ మెంటరింగ్ చేస్తుంది, బెంగళూరు మెంటరింగ్ చేస్తుంది. వాళ్ళందరి యొక్క గైడెన్స్ తో మనము ఈ సంస్థలను మరింత అభివృద్ధి చేయాలి. నాకు బాగా నమ్మకం ఉంది, దేశంలో ఉండే మిగతా సంస్థలకి సంస్థ యొక్క ప్రత్యేకత మాత్రమే ఉంది, కానీ ఇక్కడ పెట్టబోయే సంస్థలకి సంస్థ యొక్క ప్రత్యేకత ఉంటుంది. తిరుమల తిరుపతి దేవస్థానం శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి యొక్క సాక్షాత్కారుడి యొక్క ఆశీర్వాదం కూడా మీ అందరికీ ఉంటుంది. ఈరోజు ఐఐటి అంటే దేశంలోనే ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా ఒక ప్రతిష్టగా తీసుకుంటారు. అలాంటి ఐఐటి వచ్చింది. భవిష్యత్తులో నాకు ఏమాత్రం అనుమానం లేదు, తిరుపతి ఒక నాలెడ్జ్ హబ్గా తయారవుతుంది, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ హబ్గా తయారవుతుంది. దీన్ని మనందరం కూడా ముందుకు తీసుకుపోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది.
all institutions, you have to lay the foundation during the month of April, and also you have to start all courses immediately next year. Within 4 or 5 years, you have to complete all colleges. So by tomorrow or within 3 days, 4 days, I am asking my minister to give land, totally registration on in your name, and also everything I will fulfill all formalities. That is what I am requesting. You bless us, you support us. We will make Andhra Pradesh as a knowledge state and also education hub. Jai Hind, Jai Janmabhoomi.